Welcome, welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. You're back? You're braver than I thought. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties.
Remain seated and supervise younglings.
Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Made the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. You're getting warmed up. Gunners, take out those scouts. Focus up, gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said, don't touch. New plan. We'll catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Right engineer, launch the homing beacons. Good work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left engineer, pick our destination. Fast. Coruscant, let's head out. Buckle up. We need to check the light speed. Switching to iron cannons.
Hello, engineers. Remember, more crates means more credits.
They're working on it, Hondo. After them. We'll rendezvous on the other side. Engineers, grab the crates with the tractor beam. Watch out for those power couplings. They'll disable the ship. Nice catch, kid. Oh no, enemy ships incoming. While I grab this Imperial officer. Backup is here. New Republic X-Wings. Here. Clear a path.
Copy that, leader.
I'll cover you. Hit the boosters. Right, pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Unloading crates now. A respectable haul. To the right buyer, we can fetch a very good price.
Good work, crew. Grogu and I will hand over the Imperial officer to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
R5, damage report. Engine failure, all right. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures? Well, it could be worse. Life support failure, huh? Okay, that's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you list the parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is something. Not a lot, but something. Welcome back to Batu. I am ending this conversation.